Omar's next check, he said that he is gonna have the truck ready. I don't believe him, but we're gonna have faith in him. We're gonna go over there and pick up David's car. Oh, shit. ¡Eso, Omar! ¡Woo! I guess tomorrow.
Written on me, card robbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the po-po, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now. I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down. I don't wanna know it. I got the backlash written on me. Card robbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the po-po, and it's on me.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna go to the dealership right now to get the transmission mount. I already have the cross member, but I bought a cross member. I did, and turns out one of my friends actually has one, and he decided to say, hey, do you want it? And I was like, yeah, I mean, yeah. And so all I'm gonna do right now is go get the transmission mount, meaning it's like the rubber part on top of the cross member, so the transmission, you know, when it's bouncing, it doesn't damage it. So that's what I'm gonna get right now, and tomorrow I'm just gonna return the cross member, yeah, because I really don't need it anymore. Plus it gives me a chance to get my money back so I can waste it on something else. So that's where we're going right now. Stay tuned.
Don't know which way we're going now. I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down. I don't wanna know it. Yeah, come and get it, pocket digging for my riches now. Yeah, boy, counting commas in my kitchen now. Yeah, right, Colorado ain't my region now. But now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it out like I'm headed out for the big amount.
Omar's next check, he said that he is gonna have the truck ready. I don't believe him, but we're gonna have faith in him.
That's all I need. As long as is the thought
I'm
that
gonna do
counts.
a cinematic of your feet.
The transmission mount. This is what I needed.
Out of there, Omar. Take off the wrapping. Some
burger.
people don't know what that is, you know.
It's my it's my burger, bro. It's the transmission mount. It's weird.
It's the transmission mount, you know. It's weird that he got it because he told me they didn't have it, but
so I had to go somewhere else to get it. Cause I went to Chevy, but they didn't have it, so I went to Cadillac, Tom Peak, or whatever the hell you call it. They had it in stock.
el YouTuber.
¿Qué? Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Ay. Ya me puso a tomar video mejor.
Puro mentiras. No hago tanta feria, más para pagar los biles. No, pues bueno, so we're gonna be trying to get everything that I have to put on the truck. Omar LS2, arreglando las trocas. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting on the radiator today. We're gonna put in the radiator, and we're gonna be putting on the transmission mount, the cross member. I'm gonna have to take out the cross member from the frame over there that he doesn't have. He was gonna scrap it, but he told me, hey, remember when you say you needed a cross member? I had one. I was like, bro, you could have told me that before I went to go searching for one. So I was like, all right, well, I'll just return that cross member and use the one that he has on the frame.
I never had a cross member here.
No, not you. Our buddies over there, our neighbors. From American Diesel.
But now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it out like I'm headed out for the big amount. Shoot it out like I'm heading out for the pictures now. How many people could do it the way I did it now? I really mean it, I feel like the only one around. Whoa, While I'm at it, I ain't kidding, I won't have it. Try and wait for me to slip, I ain't no Bambi. I'll be centering the ring, I know I can knock this, you ain't never seen no rabbits. All them bunnies, they be helping me imagine how I tell them that the man has got the backlash written on me. Card rubbing on the glass bowl, I've been falling 3 months.
I'm gonna start wearing my gloves because every time I get my hands dirty, I have to clean my hands so I can start holding the camera, and then the camera gets dirty and I have to clean that. So just to avoid all that, I'm just gonna start wearing my gloves. Here we go.
Free my ladies in the counter now, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it. I got the backlash written on me. Card rubbing on a glass bowl, I've been balling. Free my ladies in the counter now.
Cry, oh my, don't cry.
Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the pole, it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go over there and pick up David's car. We're gonna take a little break for now, but we're gonna go pick up his car to bring it back to the shop. How much is a gallon right now?
This one's a gasoline hybrid, takes 93 and diesel.
You liking the gas price for your truck?
I don't pay for diesel.
Huh?
I don't pay for gas.
A big ass tank of diesel at their job to work on diesels.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Just to let you guys know, it's not American Diesel, it's some other company. American Diesel's that other guy that was helping me out. We're here. Alright, go for it. Oh, dude. Guys, we didn't eat all day. Well, I didn't eat all day. Let's go stop, get some canes. But right now I gotta go get some grease because as soon as I put the drive shaft on there, it needs the grease to put it on. Right here already. So yeah,
The shaft? No, it doesn't feel right.
but it's hot. It's not performing the way it's supposed to because it's too hot already.
It's supposed to be. I haven't really test drove it since I installed it.
So yeah, right now we're gonna get some grease for the
Drive shaft.
So we're back. We went to go get the grease. Now we're going to be installing, well, I'm gonna be putting the grease on here. This is the V6 drive shaft right here. Reason why you have to change this because it's much longer than the one that's supposed to go for the V8. So this one's supposed to be going for the V8. This one's supposed to go into the V6. But the thing is, this one is heavy as heck. Shout out to my boy Angel. He hooked me up with that drive shaft and that was made for boost. So this one is aluminum and this one is iron. So you can tell. But we're gonna be installing the drive shaft, the radiator today hopefully. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Yeah. like this ain't going in.
Eso, Omar!
So he's taking my buddy for a spin, and after him, it's gonna be me.
Why are you never flooring your car?
Wait, what do you mean?
It's 50%. Look at this. Accelerator pedal position sensor, 58%.
I heard that you're not a shitty tuner after all.